Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change your domain's name in Squarespace. Changing your domain can refresh your brand and makes your sites easier to find. So let's get started. The first step is to purchase a new domain or add an existing one. And to do this, you have to log into your Squarespace account. To do so, just search for Squarespace and enter the website. After that, enter your account using your account's credentials. And once you're in your account, select from the drop down menu domains here. Now you will be sent to the domain section in your site settings. From here, you can purchase a new domain through Squarespace or connect an existing domain by clicking on Use a domain I know or transfer a domain. Now the second step is to update the primary domain. Before we do that, you can get a domain right here by clicking on Get a Domain. You will be directed to a new website here, where you can search for the domain that suits you most. Let's see, shopping carts. Now the websites will search for any domains that are similar to these one, and if it's the domain that you search for is unavailable, the website will present you alternatives for that website right here. Like we see, the shopping cart is unavailable, so it showed me another domains. You can select the one that suits you the most and buy it, proceeding to checkout and paying for it. And that's it. The second step is to update the primary domain. Once your new domain is connected, go back to the domains section and set your preferred domain as the primary domain. Here it will be displayed, the domains you buy will be displayed here, and you can go back here and set your preferred domain as the primary domain. This will make your new domain the main address people see. Now for the third step is to redirect old domain, and this is optional. If you want to keep the old domain, enable domain forwarding so visitors from the old address are automatically redirected to your new domain. And that's it. Your site now has a new domain name. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.